2000 Mercedes E320 Car Plaza. Cylinders are counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This car has a misfire number 6 back here, which is the furthest one back. It needs an ignition coil. It needs a set of spark plugs, a set of spark plug wires. This car has 12 spark plug wires. It's 2 plugs and 2 plug wires per cylinder. You need 12 wires, 12 plugs, and both valve cover gaskets are leaking, and they are probably causing our coils to get shorted out, and that's probably damaging them. So you have 2 valve cover gaskets leaking, and you need 12 spark plug wires, 12 spark plugs, 1 ignition coil, and that's all.
And it cost $1,400 to fix. Crazy.
E320 matic.